about, I don't know, 2 minutes down the road. We've already got a scrubbing issue, I think. Something's hitting, but it doesn't look like anything's hitting. What's going on? Yeah, it's definitely not a scrub. I don't know, hopefully it's not my CV. I really hope that it's not my CV. That would be very bad. Weird. Very weird. Alright, so we've figured out the cause of the rub, and now I'm bloody pulled over at a 7-Eleven. So, brake line on the driver's side. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you, but the brake line is actually rubbing on the rims. So I just put these rims on, and they're 15x8, not 15x6. So they're pushed out a little bit more with this offset. It's actually rubbing. So, fantastic. I need my toolkit. But I caught that now, because if I didn't, oh, I would have been screwed. If that brake line rubs through, then it's all over. I should have driven it up on the ramps, but oh well. Okay, so we ended up having to jack it up because literally had no room. But that brake line right there, it was touching, and if I had to let that go probably another, I don't know, couple kilometers, that would have shredded that line and the whole day would have been over before it even started. So hopefully it stays intact. It should be sweet. Alright, so we've just rocked up. Looks like we've got to do a bit of event sign on, and then we'll be sweet to go. Still got a while till the drifting starts, unfortunately. Alright, so we're just about to start. This is the first lap. Everyone's about to start going. It should be a rad time. Track looks tight. Alright, so haven't even done the first lap yet. This chaser just goes out, hits it, bang. Sounds like gearbox or diff or something. Maybe. Man, this course is set out for power. This is really difficult for me to keep a line. I keep having to enter big, slow down, straighten up, keep going, throw it into a big corner. Like I can't actually just keep the momentum going no matter how much I'm clutch kicking. It's just not going. So still learning the course, but yeah, far out, I need some more power. We got a live going on at the moment. There's been quite a few crashes, a few people hitting some barriers. Unfortunately, I just saw Zave take out his rear bumper, I think, or his front bumper, I don't know. But yeah, it's pretty carnage. came down here.
Okay, you need to say it again.
Wide bend? Alright.
You just literally said, I better.
Stop walking so far close to me. So, we came on the outer section, flicked it towards the wall, gripped the handbrake, left foot jumps on the brake pedal, and the brake pedal just sinks all the way to the ground. You know, I was telling you about, oh no, you guys would have seen it. I was actually fixing the lines this morning at the 7-Eleven. Well, they fully sheathed through and it's leaking now, so we got no brakes. I don't know if you know this, but I love laying on the ground at drift events.